Oh, that's how you open it. That looks amazing. That's so good.
So this is yours. Did you say thank you to Mr. Jaya?
Thank you, Mr. Today's video, I got a Tornado B4 UV Pioneer, but let me tell you why I actually got this cube. So first, I got this very not good cube. Like, it was my second cube that I got. And then I graduated to this decent speed cube with no magnets. And then I got a magnetic cube, so that's more better. And I got the Moyu B10, but unfortunately it broke. So that's the reason why I got this Tornado B4. So can I have scissors, please? Move these aside. Okay, let's open this Tornado B4 cube. Okay, I got the cube. Why is it wrapped like this? Let's get this open. Okay, so this is the thing, the latest invention of the Tornado cube. So this is the actual cube. Let's open that later. This is the accessory box. Ooh, look at this bag. Whoa, this feeling is so nice. Yeah, okay, there's a lot of instructions. Wait. This one is C fob algorithms. This one is the adjusting tool. So more algorithms that I can learn. Ooh, and a screwdriver. Yeah, and blank thing for blindfolded events. You guys been waiting for this. Huh? Oh, that's how you open it. Oh my god. That looks amazing. Should we do our first turns first? I don't know. Okay. What? Oh my god. That's so good. It's like sturdy. Yeah, it's really sturdy. What are these? Oh, what's that? It looks like a spider eyes. What are those magnets? The big ones? Those are the magnetic stuff, and the two other ones on the side are repelling magnets so that the magnetic force is not too strong. Yeah, it's really quiet. This is like really good for like restaurants if you want to keep there because it's like really quiet. This is probably my main now. Oh my god. And it's so shiny. Look at that. One, go. I will practice this cube even more and I'll post more videos in the future. Bye everyone.